Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace specific text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to find and replace specific text. Go to the home menu, then click the find option. Now we can see here open a find and replace navigation box. Now we want to find a text or specific text. Select any text or write any text to this box. Now I write the readable word, then click find next. Otherwise I try some another words. Now we write the text word, then click find next. Now we can see here a text word automatic finded. Now we want to replace this text, click the replace option, then write the text, then you can replace another text. Now I replace now, then click replace all, then click OK. Now we can see here a replacement, here a replacement, and here. Now we can see we find and replace a specific word very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.